Namaskar. For good skincare, you should turn to nature for inspiration. Mother Nature and Ayurveda provide us with many safe solutions to take care of our skin. These natural remedies can be prepared according to your body type. Today, I am going to tell you about three such rejuvenating face mask combinations to enhance your natural beauty. The first mask is suitable for those who have sensitive skin. This mask is made from strawberry, honey, and cocoa powder. Strawberries are rich in salicylic acid. They can help to brighten your skin and reduce inflammation. Honey is a natural humectant, so it locks moisture in skin. It soothes irritation too. Cocoa has flavonoid, which can improve your skin's elasticity and reduce the appearance of fine lines. Now let's see how to prepare and apply this mask. Mash 2 ripe strawberries in a bowl with your finger. Add 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 teaspoonful of cocoa powder. Mix well until you get a smooth paste. Apply this mixture after rinsing your face and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes. Then rinse off with lukewarm water and gently pack dry. You may use this mask once or twice a week for best result. The next mask could be made of banana, turmeric and honey. It brings softness to your skin, so it is good for those who have dry skin. Banana has a vitamin A, B and E. It can also hydrate and nourish your skin to make it elastic and soft. Turmeric can calm the irritated skin and even out your skin tone. Honey moisturizes and heals your skin. Prepare this mask by mashing half a ripe banana into your bowl. Add half teaspoon of turmeric powder and half tablespoon of honey. Mix nicely, clean your face and apply this mask. Keep it for 15 minutes and then rinse it off. Use this mask once or twice a week to make your skin soft and supple. For those who have oily skin, here is another recipe which has orange, honey, turmeric and curd. Oranges have vitamin C and citric acid. They help to control excess oil production. Honey moisturizes your skin and turmeric, which is anti-inflammatory, help minimize your skin pores and make your skin firm. Curd contains lactic acid, which can gently exfoliate your skin to remove dead cells from the skin. To prepare this mask, take half tablespoon of orange juice, add 1/4 tablespoon of honey, half teaspoon of turmeric and 1/4 tablespoon curd. Mix these ingredients well and apply this mask evenly on your face and neck. Leave it on for 15 to 20 minutes and then gently rinse it off with cool water. Use this mask twice a week for firmer and tightening the skin. Remember to test each of these masks on your skin of wrist before applying it to your face, just to see whether this suits your skin or not. Let's talk about what else you can do to keep your skin healthy. Try to drink sufficient water or liquid throughout the day to see that your skin is hydrated well and the toxins are removed. Eat plenty of fresh seasonal fruits and vegetables, and this would nourish your skin from inside out. Stress can make your skin's condition worse, so make time for the activities like yoga, meditation, or deep breathing exercises to relax. Try to get 7 to 8 hours of sleep each night to allow your skin to repair and regenerate. Avoid staying out under harsh sunlight for too long without protecting your skin. If you follow these suggestions and use natural masks, you can achieve radiant glowing skin that in harmony with your doshas and prakriti type. Use these remedies and let your inner beauty shine through. Namaskar.